Morning, guys. We're in a town called Mismaloya. You might have known that already if you watched our videos, but nobody watches our videos, so you probably didn't know that. Anyways, we are going down to the Playa. And don't mind the way I say Playa.
Yeah.
Really, I speak Spanish, that's why.
Right.
Anyways, so it's called Mismaloya. I told you that already. Keep repeating myself. Damn it. Anyways, so we're gonna go do some drone shots. It's a really nice place though. The river comes out it's like kind of a Riviera here. Every single canyon has these rivers that come through them, and then they basically built a town on each one. So you got Mismaloya, Boca de Tamalan, Yalapa, Camixto. There's a whole bunch of other little ones. And we'll be hitting those eventually too. That's what we're gonna do. Right?
Yes.
I think for the most part, we'll see most of them anyways.
I think so.
Okay. And I'm gonna throw up the drone and it's gonna look sicker than ever. See you there. Yeah, guys, so we're back now from our downtown Mismaloya excursion. We did send up the drone, but I had a mental deficiency and I forgot to charge the drone, so damn it! So we got about 2 minutes of solid drone footage and then it died and I was like, oh no! Like that. I did that. Anyways, I do have some other footage of downtown Mismaloya. I'm gonna piece it all together. We're leaving here tomorrow. But yeah, all in all, it's a nice little town. Like, it's really, really scenic. You're just like tucked away in the jungle. The one thing about it is there's a small beach. It's probably like half a kilometer or whatever. So what happens is you don't really have anywhere to escape, like the salesman and the people that want you to come and eat dinner and they want to rip you off and all that BS. There's one lady that I hate her. I hate her. She overcharged us and I hate her. She tried to get us this morning too. She's all like, oh, I got my menu. It's like, get out of here. In your dreams, lady.
Yeah.
Kick rocks. Kick rocks, chica. Anyway, so, but yeah, so you can't really escape that down at Mismaloya. So, it kind of, I don't want to say it ruins it because that's rough, but yeah, it ruins it. Fuck it. I'm saying it. Fuck it. All right. So I'll just piece together all that stuff and maybe make a little walking tour and a drone tour. So you'll see that coming up.